There are Telugu people in the audience. Yeah, good. என்னடா இது? चावो बचावो.
मेरा वक्त मेरा सब मेरा ये मजाक है क्या चढ़ा बुरा शौक ऐसा पूछे मुझे कभी रुकेगा क्या तू मैं सीधा सबको ना कहता ढीठ बनूं जाट जैसा गंदी बातें साफ कहता रखो मुझ पे भरोसा।
Hello. Hi. My name is Akhil and I am from Kerala. We speak Malayalam there. You guys know? Yes. Yeah. And don't you guys think that South Indian languages in general are a little difficult to speak and understand?
Yes.
I think this is because South Indian language के जो alphabets होते हैं, right? Our alphabets have a lot of circles in them, you know? More circles a language has, more rolling of the tongue when you are speaking that language, right? That is why when Hindi people are listening to two South Indians talk, for Hindi people it is rolling of the tongue, you know. See, the more circles a language has, more rolling of the tongue. More rolling of the tongue, more effort by the tongue. More effort by the tongue, more rest the tongue needs. Right? That is why when you see in South Indian movies, the villain talks a lot of shit in anger. And he will relax his tongue at the end. He'll be like, hey, naadicha tanga mata, naalu masam tunga mata, moti par, ite poi, sera mate. That's what he's doing. See, only the South Indians know that I just sang a random Tamil song just now. But you know what the North Indians heard? I know. I did all that to prove this. So all of you, most of you are North Indians only. So I am going to give you a trick to find out which South Indian person is from where. All you have to do is listen to the other languages that we speak. That's all you have to do. क्योंकि देखो साउथ इंडियन लैंग्वेज आर वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग, यू नो. आप कोई भी अदर भाषा बोलते हो उस पर आपका थोड़ा थोड़ा असर पड़ता है. लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ तेलुगु. तेलुगु में मोस्ट ऑफ द वर्ड्स एंड विद आ साउंड और अ ए साउंड. आ साउंड और अ ए साउंड. वर्ड्स लाइक लेदा, उंदा, औना, ఎందుకులే, ఒద్దులే, దెంగే, ఆ సౌండ్. Yes, there are Telugu people in the audience. Yeah, good. Denge means to fuck off. That's why they're laughing. Good. You know, A sound, A sound. देखो मैं वैसे हैदराबाद में रहता हूँ. So whenever they speak, Telugu people speak Hindi. That's why they end the words on the same note. Right? मैं हैदराबाद में रहता हूँ and मैं एक दिन ऐसा रोड क्रॉस कर रहा था. तो pedestrian signal from green went to red. पक्का हैदराबादी ऑटो वाला रुक के बाहर निकला होता है. आ रहा, जा रहा, क्या कर रहा? माँ केड़े भाईन केड़े बुल्ले. आ साउंड, ए साउंड. तमिल, ठीक है. देखो तमिल इज वन ऑफ द ओल्डेस्ट लैंग्वेजेस टू हैव कम आउट ऑफ इंडिया. ओल्डेस्ट लैंग्वेज ऑफ इंडिया. दैट्स व्हाई द इफेक्ट ऑफ तमिल ऑन योर टंग इज इवन मोर. You know, that's why when Tamil people speak whichever other language, it sounds exactly like Tamil. It's not their fault. The language is strong. My maths teacher is a very good example for this. She used to look at my homework notebook and scream at me. Hey, என்னடா இது? உனக்கு homework தெரியாதா? உனக்கு maths வேண்டாம் விட்டுரு. நாளைக்கு parents கூட்டிட்டு வா. This is what she wanted to say. But she ends up saying, ये क्या है? आपका होमवर्क नहीं मालूम नहीं? आपका नहीं पढ़ना नहीं तो ड्रॉप मैथ्स. कल पेरेंट्स का बुलावो. पेरेंट्स को नहीं, पेरेंट्स का. बुलाओ नहीं, बुलावो. मैं तो ट्यूशन भी मैडम से ही पढ़ता था. Even though I am a Malayali, my tongue start getting affected, you know. She used to beat me in tuition. मैं चिल्लाता था, कोई मेरे का बचावो, बचावो. Easy? Malayalis. देखो, Malayalam and Tamil are quite similar as languages, you know. So when we speak Hindi, you cannot catch us because हमारा Hindi is almost same. Like how they speak. But when we speak English, that is when you can catch a Malayali. No? I was sitting in a job interview and the person who was taking my interview, he asked me, hey Akhil, tell me more about yourself and where do you see yourself in the next few years? I said, sir, I am very simple and humble. I went to college to gain knowledge. I play football, drink alcohol. In the next few years, I will be in Gulf, Dubai. Not my fault. The language is strong, you know. See, now the only language left is Kannada. Okay? I will be very honest with you guys. In my life, I don't know anybody whose mother tongue is Kannada. Okay? So in an attempt to complete this joke, I actually came to Bangalore a few months back. And I made a mistake of speaking to an angry auto wala in Hindi. He heard Hindi and he was like, Kannada barta nahi to gaan marata. मैं ऑटो में बैठ के चिल्ला रहा था, बचाओ. But South Indian languages are very strong, man. You know, we South Indians have paid lot of detail to small things of the language. Let's take relative names, for example. South Indian languages, they sound like designations. As a Perappan, Appupan, Jittappan, Mayachan, you know, they sound like designations. But Hindi, they sound like fart sounds, you know. As a dada, chacha, lamba wala tau, sabse zahirili bua. Not just that. We South Indians have paid so much detail. Our galis are creative. Man. मैं केरला में था and I was traveling in a bus and the conductor was supposed to give me some change back. ठीक है, मैं बार उससे पूछ रहा था, भैया कब दोगे. He got irritated. बोलता निंदा अम्मू मैडम 16 अड़ियां कंजिटंड वीट्लोट वा अपा तारा. This means I should pleasure his pee-pee. Not today, not tomorrow, but after my grandmother passes away. 16 days after that, there is a ritual. वो ritual होने के बाद, after the ritual, all my family members will go home. I should not. I should take a bus to Trivandrum, go to his house, and collect my 20 rupees. And my grandmother is watching all this from heaven. You know, creative is what I'm saying. But Hindi galis में ना वो मजा नहीं है. सही में. You know, there is no. तू बॉसड़ी गा मैं आजकल. जोक तेरे को हंसाने के लिए है ब्रो. जोक. कुछ मजा नहीं है यार, है ना. देखो मैं बताता हूँ. देखो, most of the galis, they don't have spice in them, you know. Hindi galis, they are like salt, only 2 elements, sodium chloride. Gadmara, lunchus. Some galis don't even sound like galis, you know. मैं ऐसा दिल्ली में था एक बार और मेरी ऐसे एक बंदे से थोड़ा सा टक्कर हो गया, वो वैसे गाली वाली देने लग गया मेरे को. ठीक है, he was like, hey, गांडू. देखो, how is गांडू even considered a bad word? It doesn't even sound like a bad word, you know. It sounds like any other Indian nickname. मुकेश का मुक्कू, संदीप का संदू, गांड का गांडू. मजा नहीं है ना यार. But since he is from Delhi, he did not stop at Gandu, because now he is mixing a body part and a random word, and he started to make up galis. मेरे को देख के बोलता, मेरे पास तेरे लौड़ा लहसुन के लिए टाइम नहीं. He looked at his friend and he said, ये क्या भांग भोसड़ा चल रहा है? And when he said pataka, I thought we are playing a word game. I am a playful guy, तो मैं भी बोल दिया, तेरी योनी, मेरी कोनी. You guys liked it. He did not. ऐसी जगह कोनी मारा है मेरे को. थेरेपी में बहुत पैसे वेस्ट किए मैंने. But you know, we South Indians must have paid like attention to a lot of things. But I think we South Indians screwed up in one aspect of the language. You know what that is? That is counting, यार. हम लोगों ने counting fuck कर दिया. देखो, South Indian languages में counting till 10 is okay. After 10 we became lazy. It's like Roman numbers. ऐसा 10 का 1, 10 का 2, 10 का 3, 10 का 4, कोई मजा ही नहीं है उसमें. But Hindi is not like that. हिंदी में Every number has a unique name. Every number has a unique name. 55, 56, this one, that one. You have. That's why Hindi people started to show off after 10. You know? They're like 11, 12, 13, 14.
मेरी कला के बोली आपको प्लीज करना है मुझे हुक्म दे दो आका माइक देके बोले वक्र फकड़ अब या सिलेबस ही बना रहा मैं सीबीएसई सवाल अभी पूछे नहीं तो पूछे कब जवाब पाने के लिए कितनी सैनी पड़ी पीटी कितनी तोड़ी पड़ी रीति कितनी गांठ घिसी
नो आप इंडिया का कोई भी मेजर लैंग्वेज ले लो हम सारे लैंग्वेज में वर्णमाला इज द सेम यू नो ऑल ऑफ अस काइका गाइका ने चैच जैच ने टेट डेट ने चैच जैच ने पाइपा पाइप ये यहाँ तक ठीक है इसके बाद ये लोग रैप शुरू कर देते हैं व्हाट आर यू डूइंग मैन और आप लोगों को वो स्वर याद है अच्छा आ ई मेरे को तो लगता है वो सिलेबस में था भी नहीं यार क्योंकि द फर्स्ट टीचर आफ्टर टीचिंग द फर्स्ट वर्णमाला he had a full Indian lunch and he was walking to his bed for an afternoon nap and he was like oh hey ayyo oh and his disciples are like bro important hai lick hey hat sona hai mere ko thank you guys you have been a lovely audience thank you so much that was the show thank you मेरे योनी है मेरे